Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good night, wherever you are. First, I want to thank you all for the 400 subscribers. We made, I think we had 408, I want to say, but in that mix. But let's shoot to 500 and so on and so, moving forward. But today, I got some bread for us. As you can see, I kind of got my work cut out for me today. Client wore the shoes to pass homecoming. Actually, my school's homecoming as well, but he wore shoes. We was like on like some gravel. So we kind of got like a lot of little ashy, little dirt, couple little marks on here and there. But first thing first, y'all know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna set this one shoe on the side for going out of purposes, and we're gonna unlace these shoes, get the shoe tree in. We're gonna go to work. Get out of here, dang. So while taking out the shoestring, I also went ahead and took out the soles and the little emblem, the Nike side emblem. Make sure we don't lose that, as well as of course the shoestring. But now we got to put the shoe trees in. Shoes about size 10 and a half. I gotta go up and get. And shoestring is very vital. I'm not shoestrings, sorry. The shoe trees is very vital because you want to get that toe hard. So when I'm scrubbing on it, it ain't, bouncing back on me. Bouncing back on me, it's crazy. So when you deal with a black shoe and you dealing with like dust, I recommend first thing you want to do is like brush the shoe. First, you want to get like any dust that's just laying on top off. That way, when you do clean, you don't like clean the dirt into the shoe. But nobody would want that. Then you really be messed up. There's a lot of stuff coming off. Hopefully this little mark come off. Perfect. So what I'm doing is knocking off the dust, like everything that was just sitting on top. That way, like I said earlier, you don't brush it in. Look at that dirt hiding up in there. Looking better already just from brushing. Like you see that little in there. Look at that, boom. Already just from brushing off the little dirt that's sitting on top. Perfect. So now prep the shoe a little bit. We get our soap and we're gonna start with our salt brush. We're gonna tackle the uppers and maybe a little bit of the midsection. We're gonna start breaking the dirt down though. I want to take a little break right here just to say I had some people in my comments saying I thought you weren't supposed to put water on those, all this. But listen, bro. I want to explain something to y'all. Bro, once your shoe comes out the box and you wear it one time, your shoe will never be the same. I don't care how much you think you preserving the shoe, how much you tiptoeing around. Once you take your shoe out the box, put it on your feet and walk out the door. Even walk around your house because the house is dusty, all that. The bottom of the shoe will never be the same. The top of the shoe will never be the same. As of course the on the shoe will never be the same, but we will try to get it back as fresh in the box as possible. But I don't think you put water on that, all this, and what you're gonna keep your shoe dirty. I don't know any other way. What y'all want me to erase everything off? You're not erasing dust off, bro. So go ahead and just throw a little water. I don't mean go crazy. But bro, let's clean your shoes, bro. You don't gotta be technical, bro. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody, people checking out your shoes, ain't nobody like, yeah, bro, I think he put water on his shoe. his black ain't blacking for real. Like, no, bro, ain't nobody doing all that. People look down at your feet. Oh, them guys clean. Oh my God. You got the bread folds, bro. Them joints nice. How you clean them? No. Never once in my life had a conversation like that. But you know what I'm saying? People got their opinions. We gotta move forward, you feel me? Oh my God, these shit looking better already. While the soap sit on top of this, I'm gonna go ahead and get on the inside a little bit, just in the gray area. That way we can break it down a little bit, break it down a little bit of the dirt. So when I put it in the washing machine, it'll be back nice looking. This will be back. This is one thing I can vouch for, that'll be looking like it's fresh out the box, because it's kind of like clothes. It's like fabric. When you wash your clothes, it brings back your color, bring back your pop, knock off any dirt, anything you had on there. But the inside of the shoe, because that's what takes the less damage. The inside of the shoe takes the less damage. Because you're only putting your feet in there, unless you out here jumping in the mud, just doing stuff you ain't supposed to be doing. And expensive shoes. I mean, you can do anything with your shoes, but I would hope if you want to keep your shoes clean, you ain't out here doing it. I forgot to give you behind the tag. Let me know. The washing machine take care of the rest. This really is the least part that should be dirty on your shoe. Now you seen people having it all dirty, especially this part. Only your fingers that's dirty, bro. Because what you do when you put your shoe on, you put your thumb right there and you just put your feet in. But then again, that just comes with the course of having shoes, bro. But your inside of your shoe should be this should be the easiest part to clean. We just got done with the soft brush, the inside, the outside now looking way much better. I can just pull it together right now. And you guys see all that dust. We back right. I mean, yeah, I know it's wet, but it's gonna look like this. I promise you it's gonna look like this. You know what I'm saying? But we're gonna move on to the medium brush, step 2. And then we still gonna hit the uppers and the midsection. So let's get a little bit deeper and loosen it up for when you put it in the washing machine. It really get in there and washes it off. We all done with the medium brush. Next, moving to the hard brush. We're gonna tackle the bottom. You already know what I gotta do when you get to the bottom. I gotta stand up so we can get in there. So, from the clean this bottom, so look, the bottom all cleaned up. It's ready to go, man. Hey, it don't look like you don't need to go in the washer, but I'm gonna put it in the washer for the sake of the inside of the shoe, so it can smell good. I mean, they ain't stink, but you know, you still have it smelling good. Cancel out any odors that was there. But now I'm gonna let the shoestrings sit in the water a little bit. Being that I know they dusty, so I'm gonna let them sit in the shoestring. I mean, in a solution real quick, while also cleaning the sole. Same with the sole, kind of want to brush off any dirt there is. All right. Now what I'm about to do is I'm about to throw these things in the laundry bag. get a little pod, throw in the washing machine. And I come back, gonna do our closing remarks, our before and after, and we out. We are back from the wash and dry. I got on different clothes because I let the shoes dry overnight. They was kind of still wet when I took them out the washer, more wet than usual, but you know the spin cycle can't really do that well. So I just let it sit and edge up. As you can see, the shoes look a whole lot better as I put them both next to each other. You get that dust off. Pretty much looking brand new, fresh out the box. Even the bottoms look real good. And I got the before and after with the soles. May not be that much big of a difference, but you can see the color back a little better on this one. And I'm still set this back to the side right here. Before I get done wrapping this video up, once again I want to thank y'all for 400 subscribers, shooting up to 5. Also, I'm gonna put on some mink oil on this to kind of, it gives a water repellent, and it kind of make this back like healthy, back soft, and it got like a nice little smell to it, and it's gonna put that put his original color back on here. I used this in the past on my Toro 4 video when I brought back the, you know, like the real red, how vibrant it was. But I really recommend getting you some mink oil. Rejuvenated has it back now. They didn't have it at first. And I was using Angelus mink oil. I'm gonna go back to Rejuvenated mink oil. But yeah, I'm gonna go and spray something on here. You don't need a lot neither. I just be overdoing it sometimes. And you can just simply like rub it in like a little brush or whatever. Oh my goodness. I gotta give me some beer for me. You just add that little extra pizzazz on it. Now we are officially done with these. I have fun cleaning these. One of my favorite pair of Jordans, favorite pair of 4s. I never owned any, but I'll get some soon in the future. But before you go, like, comment, subscribe. If it's your first time here, you don't want to subscribe, check out some of my videos, some content you like, maybe you can subscribe. For my people that are subscribed, make sure y'all like, comment, spread, get this out. Keep coming back as we going up. We have 400, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's it. We got a visitor. She's on FaceTime. Can't see her, but you know what I'm saying? Maybe see her down the line in the future, but thank you. Love you all. Peace out.